Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance with a quick tech tip. So, today I want to talk about running your appliances when you're not home or you sleep. Now you know it's wrong, but we all do it anyway, even myself, I gotta admit. But just to tell you some stories, because obviously, sun is right in my. Being a technician, I see these things happen or almost happen a lot, and so I just wanted to share. So, had a customer that, well, she wasn't a customer. Someone was giving away a very high-end dishwasher. And so I said, oh, it's a good opportunity for me to upgrade my own. So I went to the house to pick it up, and I get there, and the house completely gutted. Like, the drywall's off the wall. Really nice house, though. Like, a very high-end house. Drywall off the wall, floors are stripped, and everything. So it looked like a property flipper, like somebody will buy, a house, fix it up, and resell it or something. So I said, oh, what, you guys flipping this property? And the lady was like, no, we actually had a flood. The washer had overflowed. I guess one of the valves failed, and they were on vacation. So this wasn't preventable. They didn't have a machine running, but it's still a lesson for worse situations. So anyway, the valve had malfunctioned on the washer and flooded the house, and I guess the water just ran for like a week or two. So I guess the lesson there would be maybe turn off your water valves when you go on vacation. I know myself, I unplug stuff and turn all water valves off because you never know when one will burst. Your lines will burst or your valve. And the valve is the mechanism on your washer that your fill hose is connected to. So anyway, it just destroyed the house, and it was a disaster area. It was horrible. So they had to replace everything. I'm sure the insurance covered it and all that. So anyway, I've seen that. I've seen customers tell me, oh, when I got home, the washer was doing such and such, the dryer was doing such and such, and I'm like, first thing in my head, like, you shouldn't be running it when you're not home, because you're not there to catch what may be wrong. You're not there to catch that burning smell from the dryer. You can't catch the water coming out of the washer, washer leaking or flooding. So case in point, GE washers. The older GE washers, good machines, very heavy duty, built, driven, hard to kill. Expensive to repair after they're, when something goes wrong. Like Whirlpool pretty much are cheaper, easier repairs. But usually like GE, it's usually a major component that goes bad on them, but they're hard to kill. So anyway, GE has a fill hose that typically gets clogged up with this from stuff from detergent. It's over time, and that fill hose gets clogged up, and they tend to overflow. It can happen with any machine. The design is the same for any machine, but for some reason GE's it happens a lot to those, the older ones. So if that were to happen and you're not home, you're running your machine.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Fence Road.
You're not there to catch it. So that's my tech tip for today. Don't run your dishwasher, don't run your washer, dryer, anything
Turn
if
right
you're
onto
not
Fence
home,
Road.
because pressure switches can malfunction and flood your house. Water valves can go bad.
Continue on Fence Road for 1.5 miles.
Can go bad and release water into the machine, without you even have it turned on, because those things are closed by an electromagnetic motor that's actually on the valve that opens and closes the valve. So that can just trigger on like that. Dryer, your heating element can be grounded out. I've seen that where like a wire bra or a hairpin gets into the little holes where the heating element is, touches the coil itself, and it touches the frame, which completes the circuit, which means the heating element will be on even if the dryer isn't on. So these things happen a lot, but most of the time it isn't because the person isn't home. Usually they'll tell me like, yeah, I was home and all of a sudden I saw water on the floor. The dryer was still hot, you know, an hour after I finished using it. So in most cases that wasn't the case, but it could have easily been if you run your machine if you're not home. So that's it. Any questions, feel free to comment below. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. See ya.